So I absolutely love my new art studio, but today I want to show you my new art easel. I'm super excited about it. And so right now I have my tabletop easel that I have been working on, resting on the back side, and it gives me the ability to have one easel over here and have one easel over here. And so this is a stand-up easel. It does convert to a tabletop easel as well, and it is adjustable. I love the fact that it has a drawer. It also came with a wood pallet. The drawer have these dividers that you can take out, and you can rest your canvases inside of there as well, or you can rest your paint brushes and your paint. I love the fact that it is so much adjustable. I mean, the canvas size that this art easel takes is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. It is also adjustable on height level as well. And this also converts to a tabletop easel. So I really love this easel. And I will post the link below if you would like to purchase this easel. But I just super love this easel.